like, note to self, heat gun on the plastic, maybe not the best idea. Hello friends, Min from On a Stampage here. I sound a little crazy because I am getting over a sinus infection. Disclaimer, might hear coughing, might hear other things, but I'm really excited because I'm here today with Crafty YouTube Collaborations. We are doing a new season, new technique challenge. I decided that I was going to play with bleach. I haven't done this before with my crafting, and I'm a little bit nervous because I don't want it to go wrong, but I've seen some gorgeous samples by some friends where they've used bleach to color in on colored paper instead of using other mediums, and so that's what I'm going to do. So as you'll see, I've got a bag over part of my stamping area because of it. And the color that I've chosen is this beautiful pinkish purple. I think it was called Razzleberry something. It's a retired Stampin' Up color. I love this color, and it goes really nicely with some patterned paper that I'm hoping to layer with it, because I think that what might happen is the bleach color might end up being like this pink color, and so I think it'll look really cool. And then the stamp set that I've chosen that I want to use is this beautiful set from Close to My Heart. It's called A Million Little Things. It has these gorgeous flowers, and then it has these splotches that I'm hoping to do something cool with. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this rose image and I'm going to heat emboss it with black embossing powder. So that's what I'm going to do. Here we go. Okay, so I should have used an embossing buddy first to get all of the static off, but I didn't, but I'm okay with that because I think it might look cool with the bleach to have some of those tiny black little pieces in the petals. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to paint in all of the places that I want the bleach, and I'm really nervous, but I think it's going to be good as long as I take my time. So this might take a little bit of time, but here we go. Okay, you guys, I love that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I hope that you agree. You can definitely tell where I had more bleach. Like, this is flat out white. Okay, so now my next idea for this is that I want to add some splotches. I also have these gorgeous splotchy pieces that I want to do in black as well. So let me grab these and stick them on different corners of the same block because I'm lazy, and I'm gonna make sure that is on. Okay, I'm gonna do some black ones with this, and I think I'm not gonna emboss it. I'm just gonna do black ink. So I'm gonna use my favorite Memento. Let's add a little bit more texture into this with these splotchies. Yes, I'm loving that. I really want to add some in that are bleached. You guys, oh, I love this so much. It's so beautiful. That bleach just adds added texture, and because it's not like all the same color, because I didn't put as much bleach on certain areas, it is just so pretty. Okay, the next step for me is going to be to start putting this card together. So I'm going to clean this all up, and then you will see me putting this card together. Here we go. Oh, and let's talk about the nail polish. Yes, it's expressy. I just did it today, so it's not the best because I got it on the ends of my fingers, or not the ends of my fingers, but the cuticles, and I just don't care. Like, it'll come off in the shower or when I wash my hands. But I honestly have tried a couple of different nail polishes since then, and you heard how I felt about the Wet n Wild. It was not my favorite, but I swear I'm just gonna have to like only buy Expressy for my base coat colors from now on, because it stays on forever. And I put this on today right before I went to the doctor's. Like, literally, I got done painting my nails and we went to the doctor's, and I had to do things like put my mask on and stuff like that. No chips, no smudges. Oh yes, you guys, this is turning out so beautifully. I hope you like this. If you do, please tell me below. I love your comments. They're so sweet. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp my sentiment using black ink onto white cardstock and cut it out, because I think that that will give it the nice little oomph that I'm looking for. It's the little things that mean so much. Oh, that's beautiful. And then we're gonna tuck it right in here, kind of. Oh yeah, we could tuck it in. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some adhesive on the top. And I'm gonna slide this down in there where I want it. There we go. Oh yeah, you guys, look how beautiful that is. I think I'm gonna add some liquid pearls. Because as I was about to end this, I was like, no, this just needs something else. So I'm gonna go in with some white opal liquid pearls. Okay, you guys, I am finally done with my first ever bleach colored image, and I am in love with it. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope this is something that you'd be willing to try out, because hey, it's a new season and this is a new technique for me. Before I go, I did mention that this is a crafty YouTube collaborations hop, and because of that, we have more inspiration of new techniques for you. Please go ahead and make sure that you make your way through the hop, because everybody's got an amazing idea to share with you. Also, I am giving away a prize as well. It is a mystery prize that's filled with some pretty embellishments. So if you really like bling, you're going to want to go down into the comments and tell me, if you were to do this bleach technique, what color of paper would you choose first? I chose purple because it's my favorite, but what color would you choose? Thanks so much for stopping by, my friends. Until next time, hugs and happy crafting. Bye.